Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do a sub reveal of our Summer Lovin' monthly subscriptions. As always, first I'll show you the sticker kit and then I'll show you the stationery kit because that's what has the mystery items in it. So just in case you haven't received your sub yet and you want to be surprised, I'll warn you ahead of time before I show that part. So here's the sticker kit. So the first sheet is our freebie add-on for our sticker kit subscribers. So this is themed for July and it just has kind of like a summer vibe to it. These are actually a new style that I've never done before in the shop and I just thought they were so cute. Just simple like line clip art in black and white. And then the bottom quote sticker says Chasing Daylight. And I've known this quote for a long time, but I just recently found out it's actually a golfing term. So they call it Chasing Daylight, I guess when it's like towards the end of the day and they're trying to get in, I don't know, as many holes or whatever as possible before the sun sets. And I've always known this quote as kind of like doing as much as you can before your time runs out, but not in a negative way, in a positive way. Like we all have limited time in our days and months and years and in our life. And how are we going to spend that time? Like hopefully it's spending that time on the most important things. So I thought that would be a really nice little reminder. That is the add-on sheet. And then sheet A is themed for July. It has a whole bunch of like decorative clip art with a summer theme. And then you have your circle icons, headers. The headers are in like a tan kind of color. I was thinking of like sand. And then two thin strips of washi in a green color. You have two of these thin strips. And then you have two strips with the, I think it's called hibiscus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but that like luau type of flower for summer. So you have two washi strips with that background. And then sheet B are your full boxes. So you have a couple of blank full boxes with the really pretty flower background and then some cute summer backgrounds, some mini flags here. And these are like little washi strips that you can use like for headers or dividers. So you get 4 of those. They're like that thin. Sheet C are your quarter boxes, half boxes, trackers, some check boxes, and some checklists. And then sheet D are your headers, some two-tone labels, some graph trackers, and some more circle icons. So that's what you get in the full kit. If you subscribe to our mini sticker kit, then you get the same add-on sheet, the same sheet A, and then you get the sheet E, which is just a combination of our full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, half boxes, some more of these little header strips with the flower background. So you get 4 of those, and then some check boxes. So those are our sticker kits. And now I'm going to show you guys the stationery kit. So click out now if you want to be surprised, but come back so I can show you a couple of cool things with the stationery kit. So here's what it looks like in the package. All the subs got this order card freebie. The text at the top says out of office and it just has like all our information on the back. So then you get, as always, your mini calendar card for July with Monday through Sunday on one side, Sunday through Saturday on the other. And then you get this little vinyl sticker. Last month we had a traveler's notebook and this month we have a ring planner with just some cute planning supplies there. It does have this like laminate on it, so it's great for sticking on different things and it'll be protected. And then here is the planner card for this sub. It says Salty. I thought it was really kind of funny and cute to put it in our Summer Lovin' subscription kits because salty, like the beach, but also this is one of my favorite words because I always feel like I'm salty. So I thought this was just a cute little thing to add to the sub. And then you always get 2 sheets of vellum. This one has a really pretty like palm shadow background. So I thought this was really cute for layering with something, like even if you had the planner card layered with it, or even this card, I thought it would be really, really cute for layering. And then you get this one with that same pretty flower pattern. So those are your cards and vellum and your little decal. And then now I'm going to show the mystery item. So here are the mystery items. The main thing is a new and improved stencil. So I did a stencil, I don't know, a few months back. It was made of very thin acetate, and I hand cut them on our machines here in the office. These ones I got made by a vendor. It's a little bit thicker, so it's a little bit more durable. I added a ruler here. So here you can see you have a 1¼ inch, 1½ inch, and a 3-inch length, like highlighting template there. Or you can use them to make these kind of boxes on your planner spreads. And then I added some circles for checklists, some squares for checklists, and then here is a little like dewdrop, an arrow or triangle, one of those little like dome shapes, a flag, an arrow type flag, and a rectangle. So just some shapes I thought might be useful. So this size is 3x4, and then I decided to make a little sleeve for it. So I have this black sleeve. So this sleeve is 3.5x4 to leave some extra space to hole punch it. I didn't want to hole punch it because we all have different size planners and types of planners, but I left a space so if you want to hole punch it, and I'll show you how I did it in my planner. So I have it here right at the back of my planner, hole punched. I just took one of my inserts and placed the holes where I want it to be so I know where to hole punch, so it's not too high hitting this and it's not too low extending too far down here. Also, if you're in a book bound, you could also put double-sided tape and then stick it inside the cover of your book bound planner. Or you don't have to use this pocket for your stencil at all. You could put whatever you want in here. Mini sticker sheets. The regular size sticker sheets like this one doesn't fit if you hole punch it, but if you don't hole punch it, they will fit. So you can use it for your stencil, you can use it for stickers. And then I decided to make one more extra pocket, and this one's made of like translucent vellum. And this pocket doesn't fit in my personal size planner. It's a little bit too long if I wanted to hole punch it. But if I wanted to, I could trim it down to this size and then hole punch it and put it in. And even though this side would be open, it would be protected by the ring so nothing would fall out that way. But it will fit obviously in any planners bigger than personal size. So this is the standard size sticker sheets that we have in our shop, and I sized it so it would have a little bit space on the side if you wanted to hole punch it and stick it into your planner. I thought that would be cute. 2 handy pockets. I know I'm always looking for like other ways to store my sticky notes or my stickers or my stencil, so I thought these would be super handy. So these are all the items that came in our various Summer Lovin' monthly subscription kits. The Summer Lovin' sub is now closed. Extras will be listed in the main shop on Friday, June 2nd at 12 noon Pacific. Those who subscribe to this sub will receive their Sub Love discount code by Thursday, June 1st. And I'll put all this information in the description box down below. Spots for our next sub, which is themed Planner Nerd, will open on Thursday, June 1st. So like I said, all this information will be listed in the description box down below, but feel free to leave a comment or send me an email if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.